Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits while you work. Use an anti-static mat and keep screws in a clear order so you can rebuild correctly. Once done, insert the appropriate screwdriver and use a plastic spudger to pry the back safely. You do this to avoid damaging clips and ribbon cables. Make sure to note connector locations visually or with a quick photo before proceeding to the next step. You should disconnect the battery connector first to eliminate power to the board and avoid accidental shorting. Then use a magnifier and bright light to inspect the charging socket for lint, bent pins, or corrosion. This tells you whether cleaning, pin realignment, or replacement is required. Next, unclip the charging board assembly and remove mounting screws slowly, keeping track of screw sizes. If soldered, make sure you know whether you'll replace the board. You clean stubborn debris using 90% isopropyl and a soft brush. Cleaning often restores contact and is safer than immediate replacement. If pins are bent, realign them gently with fine tweezers. If solder joints are cracked or loose, you will need to replace the socket or reflow the joint with proper soldering tools. Once repaired, reassemble in reverse order, reconnect the battery, and test charging through a full cycle. If it still won't charge, try another known good cable, an adapter as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.